Here is a 1500-word YouTube article written in English India style about the 2026 Mahindra Thar young generation की favorite off-road SUV, powerful look और 4x4 capability के लिए viral. This is written as a ready-to-use YouTube video script article. The 2026 Mahindra Thar has taken India by storm and has become the ultimate dream SUV for the young generation. जब भी ये गाड़ी रोड पर नजर आती है, लोग अपना अटेंशन इंस्टेंटली अट्रैक्ट कर लेती हैं. From college students to adventure seekers, biker communities to weekend road trip lovers, everyone is talking about the new Thar. This isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle statement, a symbol of freedom, rugged attitude, and pure off-road fun. The 2026 version of the Mahindra Thar comes packed with so many features that it feels like Mahindra listened to exactly what the youth wanted. It looks bold, aggressive and powerful. It doesn't just drive, it dominates the road. When you see that iconic boxy silhouette, muscular wheel arches, bold grille, and raised stance, it's impossible not to feel pumped. This is the kind of SUV that makes you turn your head and say, "Wow! Kya look hai?" The Thar has always been known for its off-road capability, and the 2026 model takes it to a whole new level. Mahindra has ensured that this SUV is not only capable on rough terrain but also comfortable and refined for city driving. That's something unique. एक गाड़ी जो gearlocks, mud terrain tires, 4x4 system और high ground clearance के साथ भी urban life को easy बना दे. This balance is what makes the 2026 Thar extremely special and viral across social media platforms. Youth in India today want experiences, they want adventure, freedom, and something that expresses their personality. The Thar perfectly captures this spirit. इस गाड़ी में bathed high you feel like you're ready for an off-road adventure. Whether it's the mountains of Himachal Pradesh, the deserts of Rajasthan, the muddy trails of Madhya Pradesh, या फिर weekend camping trip with friends near Lonavala. The instant connection young drivers feel with this SUV is real and deep. Let's talk about the build and design first. The 2026 Thar looks sharper, wider, and more commanding than ever before. Mahindra has refined the traditional boxy design but retained its classic identity. There's a bold front grille with a modern twist, LED headlights that give it an intimidating look at night, and a muscular bonnet that makes it look like it's ready to conquer any terrain. The body panels are strong and rugged, built to take hits and rough usage without complaining. Every curve, every edge seems designed to convey strength and power. Wheels, absolutely massive. The Thar rolls on large alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires that not only look badass but also deliver amazing grip on gravel, mud, and steep slopes. You can feel the difference when you're driving. Confidence car level instantly high. Ground clearance is so perfect that you barely worry about speed breakers, potholes, or uneven roads. This is one SUV that doesn't stress you out, it just invites you to go further. Interior quality has also significantly improved in the 2026 model. Older versions were rugged but basic. Now Mahindra has given the Thar a much more premium feel inside. जब भी young buyers देखेंगे, they will love the modern dash, touchscreen infotainment system, digital displays, and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are comfortable and supportive with a design that tells you this SUV is ready for all-day journeys. Whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing rocky trails, the cabin feels solid and reassuring. But design and comfort are just part of the story. The real hero of the Thar is its off-road performance. Mahindra has engineered this SUV to be a beast in challenging terrains. The 4x4 system in the 2026 model is more advanced, with options like low-range transfer case, electronic locking differentials, and terrain response modes. ये सब फीचर्स नॉर्मली लग्जरी SUVs में मिलते हैं, पर महिंद्रा ने थार में अफोर्डेबल पैकेज के साथ दिया है. The result, you can conquer steep inclines, cross shallow water streams, drift through mud, and climb over rocks with a grin on your face. Engine performance is another area where the Thar delivers big time. It comes with powerful diesel and petrol engine options that deliver strong torque and punchy acceleration. ये torque off-road conditions में काफी useful होता है, especially when crawling over rough surfaces or climbing slopes. The gearbox is smooth and responsive, and the clutch feels light enough for city driving. India का traffic हो या highway cruise at high speed, the Thar handles both with ease. Let's talk about why the Thar went viral among the young crowd. First, looks. Young people love visuals, and this SUV is cinema-worthy on any backdrop: mountains, deserts, beaches, forests, you name it. सोशल मीडिया रील्स और फोटोज थार के साथ हमेशा स्टैंड आउट दिखते हैं. Influencers and content creators choose the Thar for road trip vlogs because it gives epic visuals and an aspirational vibe. Second, adventure culture. Young Indians today are more into experiences than possessions. They want to travel, explore, discover hidden places, and share stories. Thar enables this freedom. When you drive a Thar, you're not just moving from point A to B, it feels like you're writing your own adventure story. That feeling is priceless and exactly why it trends online. Third, community. There's a huge Thar owners community across India from north to south, east to west. They organize off-road meets, trail rides, camping events, and group drives. For new buyers especially, joining the Thar community feels like joining a family. It's not just a vehicle, it's a tribe. And this sense of belonging adds to the popularity. The Thar also has a practical side that young professionals appreciate. Weekend trip planned, no problem. Ghar pe daily commute, easy. College drop, comfortable. Family outing, spacious. Mahindra has ensured the 2026 Thar doesn't just look cool on social media but also fits into everyday life. This dual-purpose nature makes it more desirable than many other SUVs that are only good for city driving. Safety features have also been a focus. Mahindra has included airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control, hill hold and descent control, all features that give confidence when driving on rough terrain or busy city roads. Safety is increasingly important for young buyers and their families, and Thar checks those boxes well. Fuel efficiency is another plus. Even though it's a powerful SUV, the Thar delivers respectable mileage, especially on highways. For young drivers worried about running costs, this is a welcome point. Plus, maintenance and service networks of Mahindra are widespread across India, so servicing and spare parts are easily available. Young owners who travel long distances don't feel stuck if something needs attention. Now let's talk about pricing and value. Mahindra has priced the 2026 Thar competitively compared to other SUVs with similar features. इंडिया में SUV segment बहुत fast grow कर रहा है, and value for money is a key deciding factor. The Thar offers a blend of power, style, features, and capability at a price that feels justified. That's another reason it became viral. लोग feel करते हैं कि it gives more bang for the buck. The 2026 Mahindra Thar also has customization options that appeal to young buyers. Buyers can choose accessories like roof racks, alloy wheel, styles, snorkel kit, LED light bars, seat covers, and more. This personalization aspect lets young owners make their Thar unique exactly how they want. On Instagram Reels and YouTube videos, customized Thars look even more impressive. It's no surprise that the 2026 Mahindra Thar is trending everywhere. From YouTube vlogs to Instagram Reels, from Twitter threads to Facebook groups, everyone wants to talk about their Thar experiences. Hashtags like hashtag Thar Diaries, hashtag Offroad Life, hashtag Thar Love are common. People post videos of water crossing, dune bashing, trail riding and scenic drives, all with the Thar taking center stage. If you're planning to buy your first SUV, the 2026 Thar deserves serious consideration. It not only gives you the thrill of off-road driving but also fits into daily life with comfort and practicality. Whether you are a student looking for adventure, a professional seeking weekend getaways, or a family wanting a reliable SUV for long trips, the Thar checks all boxes. In conclusion, the 2026 Mahindra Thar has redefined what a young generation SUV should be: bold in design, powerful in performance, versatile in usability, and deeply connected to the spirit of adventure. It's more than a vehicle, it's a story maker, experience giver, and lifestyle symbol. That's why it's become viral across India and continues to capture hearts everywhere. So if you're watching this video and thinking of going on your next big adventure, ask yourself, are you ready to Thar it out? If you want, I can also create. Checkmark a YouTube title जोड़, description जोड़, tags optimized for SEO. Checkmark a thumbnail script. Checkmark a shorter version for shorts or reels. Just tell me, का fire video cam.